Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Accord key battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR1616 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This quick and easy process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership and some money. Now, locate the small slot on the side of your key fob. Gently insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. It should pop open with minimal effort, revealing the battery inside. Before removing the old battery, take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Carefully pry out the old CR1616 battery. Now, insert your new CR1616 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This is crucial for proper function. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming it's securely closed. Then, test all the functions of your key fob to ensure everything is working perfectly. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. You'll be glad you did.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.